Yo, what's up? So I want to go over my trade today that I took. It was a 1-to-1. I was taking other trades throughout the day and I was at a loss. So again, the I took one, two, three trades that were at FOMO. One I canceled out quick and I knew that one was gonna go. The other two they just hit boom, boom, back to back, and I hit them kind of back to back times. See, this one's 37.57, 38.08. So it's like a couple minutes between. And then I waited, kind of got out at one, like couple minutes after. So then I kind of stepped back and was like, all right, I saw that the market wasn't going to go what I thought it was going to go. So I just quickly switched it up. I thought it was going to go for longs since I saw this over here. Um, it came back down, went up 30 the where I got in 36, 38. So around here 36, 38. They were the first one long. I thought I was gonna go long around here, but it dumped down, got me out. I thought it was gonna go down, go. Oh, I thought it was gonna keep going down. No, they were all longs. One was a short, but it was an accident. But that one, yeah, along at 10:38:07. 10:38:07. So right here, around here, if I was gonna go long, 38:07 right here. I think I got in here and it kept going down. It got me out, but then it kept going up. So I was like, oh fuck. I got in again for a short, a quick short. I saw it go down. Then I saw this volume and nothing happened. So I got out real quick. Only lost like $60 on that one. Then the next one, I went long as well because I thought I was gonna keep going up. At 42.46. So 10:42:46. Watch me play it out. Because I was like, oh, this is gonna, if it passes this, cool, 42.46. All right, watch. 42. Let me see. 42.46 right here. I got in. Once this closed, it held here, came up. Watch, let me go back a little bit. Right here. So I was like, all right, it's kind of, see, right there. I was like, oh yeah. And then it fucking got me out. Got me out after. So I was gonna keep going. And the sellers come. They were holding this area, but then boom, got me out. And then so for the play that I did take was this one right away. At 43.02, got in. Um, Stop loss here. I saw that it was gonna keep going down and did just a 1-to-1. As I was actually moving my limit. I was actually moving my take profit lower, and it just went quick, bro. Like I was gonna set it to lower, and then the market kind of just shot down, bro. It shot all the way down to, let me see, 5148. So it shot all the way down 5148 around here. So it's all good. It kept going. I was gonna put it lower. I would have been good, but um, it just caught me off guard, bro. It flipped quick. But the entry was cool. The entry was good, and I could have gone higher, but it was just so fast. It was super fast. So let me see if I could replay it again. The Dom was looking good too. I'll go back one more minute. Yeah, see, it's shot up to play out. Right when I saw that, I was like, oh, okay, this is losing momentum right here. That's it. Kept down, waited, boom, waited. Not yet, not yet. Yes, right there. Got in here. This one. Saw that. That was clean. And then I kind of was focusing on. I wasn't too focused on the charts. I was looking at the levels and kind of gauging, but I was listening to a podcast and that kind of threw me off. I threw on some music. I was listening to like the Doors, vibing out, and then I just clicked in for a little bit. But I was up, bro. This in the mornings I was up. Let's see, 10 right here. Not too much, probably like $600. $600. Then I was down. One. I was down around $500, 700 bucks. I think $700, and that's why $600 probably. And then I took the last trade, for a 1-to-1, and got me. It got me out. But it's cool. It's cool. It was chill. Wasn't too crazy. The market just kept dumping. Watch me play kind of fast. The market just kept dumping and dumping and dumping. There was a lot of entries I could have got in as well. See the EMA tap, boom, jump down. That's what I'm kind of like focusing on. I could have waited there. Like I like these little EMA tap plays. It works. It works for sure. See, watch, it's gonna tap again, probably, and keep going. See, well, no, but that held right there. So look, tap, it doesn't come down after that. That's what I gotta look for more. Look how fucking low it got, bro. Oh my goodness. And then it just goes up from there. So it just keeps going up after that. But these areas, these wick areas are perfect place to get in. I just gotta keep with my strategy, and I didn't really follow the strategy even with that entry, because it wasn't what I wanted. 42. Watch, let me just reverse it back to what I where I entered, where I took 4302, 4302. Watch. Oh shit, hold on, buckos. All right, right here. Okay, so this wasn't the my entry, but look at this. I could have got in. I could have waited a little bit more. Boom, waited and fucking got in there. See, it's there though, bro. It's there. I fucking know it. 43, 40, 43, 42. Watch. I'm gonna do at 42. See how the EMA just taps and then boom, boy. I don't know if I haven't seen anybody fucking look at this, but 42 play. Watch. Man, it's working out good. So next week I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in. So look, watch. Just for example, tapped here, went down, but that's to be at a key level. This key level, right? The key level. Once I look for the key level, I look for it to tap. Once it passes, or up or down, it doesn't matter. So once it passes, wait for a little bit, boom. And if it just goes, then it just goes, and that's not it. You just wait for it. I saw a couple of those plays already today. I could go over it a little bit and see, but that's not it. Right here, look, buyers, they didn't push the price up, and I just learned too that um just because they're buying doesn't mean it's gonna go up. That's like a duh, huh, duh. See, look, Taparoo could have got in there, and that's it. Just let it fucking rock. It just kept going from there. It doesn't come up. Look, POC. That's the POC right there. See, it doesn't go up after that. Goes to there, but look, not even to there. See, that POC is solid, and it came down, came up, little love tap, came back. See, same thing. The love tap kept going down, right? The love tap kept going down. See, there I kind of got you out, but you would have. That's if you would have got in here, 42. Say at 42, conservative 42, got in. 42, 42, 26. That's a lot. Boom, love taps right there. Love taps came down. Same thing. See, I see the play right here. One. This is iffy, but it'll do this. Two, three, bro. Come on, bro. I'm a patent this shit, bro. If you make this, if you fucking use this strategy and you fucking pass a challenge, if you make profit, bro, shoot me fucking money. Nah, I'm just playing. But shoot my crypto. You're no, I'm fucking with y'all. But this is just for me. This is what I'm noticing, right? So see these fucking little love taps. I'm gonna draw a circle. Where's the ellipse? Right? Oh, that's fucking disgusting. Let me see. Color style. Let's see. Settings. Outline. Fill. No fill. Man, how do I take that out? Let's see. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. 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 So another one right there. Let's not count that. Right? Let's not count that. Let's just for example purposes. Look at that. That's fucking three little love. See? See? Let me just let me hide this so I can see. Okay. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because that's beautiful. All right. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and you see it working. Tap and boom. They're gonna figure this out after. You know what I mean? They're gonna find it. But we'll just move on to the next. And this is like the crazy thing is it happens all the time. Look for I've seen it good for shorts. For longs, I'm not really seeing too much because look, this tapped it, fucking psych, but it did go up. Tapped it, boom, there. You see, tapped it, right? That's close. That's cutting it. That's cutting it. But look, tap, fucking came down, came up. If your stops would have been even up to here, bro, look at all that. That's close. That's close. Mm, that's that's cutting it. That I wouldn't take that. But they're here, bro. Look, boom, up. You know. And how do you find these? Look, I would wait for it to come down. Boom, come down. Then this is high risk, bro, but it's little risk, big reward. You know, if it doesn't work out, fuck it, it doesn't work out, you know, but boom, it shoots up and it has to like not go too high. You know, this is cool. I would have got in here when it starts coming down. Because look, came up. Boom. Oh man. All right. I'm out. Thank you for watching.